Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. Today as usual we'll be looking at the BTC price action. However, before we start I've got a small request as usual, and if you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. So far there is not much change. We are holding the weekly level at around 36,300, 36,500 levels. However, the resistance levels are the same, it hasn't been changed. So there is no point to cover the weekly resistance levels. Moving on to a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, with this candle, once we lost the $60,000, a bit of consolidation, then the daily time frame went heavily under the bear's control. We had the support levels 50,000, 48,000, and then once we started moving with this sharp decline, we added another support levels. And the last support level, which is a major and very important level, is for the short and mid time frame. It's going to be $32,500 and $34,000. And as soon as we reach to this level, and as you can see, 2 days we stayed above the upper line of the support, and then price action started moving towards the upside. At the same time, a few days ago, as well as 25th of January that I mentioned about this level, major support held on a weekly time frame once we closed the weekly time frame. At the same time, the upper line of this major support, it confluenced with a weekly point of control. And the last night we had a nice close on a daily, and if I was saying we'll get a confirmation, which is a green candle for tonight's, that was at 26, and we may expect a bounce from here for mid-short term. Another interesting scenario that I said I'm watching on the 3 daily candle, that I've got another one more day left. For instant and market updates, you can follow me via Twitter, _magnate. So I was talking about, first of all, with this beautiful daily green candle, and then I was expecting another green candle in order to confirm this pin bar. So we had both of the confirmation. However, bear in your mind, if your higher time frames are heavily underwater, this type of confirmations and candles have a less effect, but we can have some sort of bounce under short term or mid short term. So at the moment, the maximum daily level we have to break at around 49,500 and 50,500 levels. As long as we're going to be below under these levels, we will be heavily under the bear's control or consolidation under the daily time frame. If we're going to break those levels, either clean breakout or claim it as a support, then we will see a continuation towards the upside. However, it is slightly early for us to talk about it. We have to move on to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we've got a beautiful scenario. As you can see, once we reach to this level on 22nd of January, I posted via Twitter this major support level. And then as you can see, to the dollar, we held the upper line of this support. And then we took this $34,000 on the 4-hour time frame. Since then, we started pumping. So we can see now, as soon as we came to this level, if you put a stop loss down below, that's for the scalpers. We pumped 13% plus spot profit. And if you're doing leverage 10 times, 130%, 5 times, which is decent, that is 65% profit. However, this is not a confirmation yet on the 4-hour time frame, but at this moment we are facing another resistance on the 4-hour time frame. As long as we're going to be below 42,000, ideally $43,000, 4-hour time frame will still remain under the bear's control. However, breaking this level, which is I think in the coming 3 to 5 days, then we can aim $52,000 and $55,000. Before that, it would be too early for us to discuss those levels. Before we move on to further analysis, if you want to learn all this technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. During the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems that I mentioned earlier on. As soon as we got rejection, as you can see, first rejection with an SFP, the second one, the third one, nearly we reached to 3-3, the golden pocket, and then the mirror image of 618, we started dumping heavily. And we had these levels, support levels, and I added recently the major support that we've been following those levels in the last few weeks. However, as I said, the current condition of the 4-hour time frame without breaking $43,000 it is going to be so early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. At the same time, these Fibonacci levels are already changed. You can see that point of control, it also matched with our major resistance level. So there are many confluence at around $43,000, $42,500. If we're going to be below this level, as I said, 4 hour will struggle under the bear's control. However, breaking this level, either clean breakout or claim it as a support, then we can expect a decent bounce in the market. 2 hour time frame. Under 2 hour time frame, I'm expecting that we're going to see highly likely the rejection to come and to test at this level. As long as the price action can hold 36,500 level, we might see a further consolidation, and this is going to be challenging under 2 hour time frame. Breaking the 38,500 level, claim it as a support, then we may face the 4 hour resistance, which is going to be around $42,000, $43,000. However, current condition of 2 hour time frame is heavily under the consolidation, but I'm expecting that I'm going to keep an eye on in the next coming 24 to 72 hours to this level. If we manage to reject and further consolidation, clean breakout or claim it as a support, then we can aim for the scalpers to this major resistance. Otherwise, losing this resistance, highly likely we're going to end up again to this major support at around 32,200 levels. But I'm expecting as long as we're going to be above this support, it's going to be perfect under a weekly time frame close as well. As long as under weekly time frame we do not close below this level, and ideally above this level, then we may see in the coming week some sort of decent relief in the market. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.